I see no justification for denying the Herringa family the opportunity for justice.
As we've already told you, Jeffrey Willis is in prison for the rest of his life for the 2014 murder of Rebekah Bletsch. But he still faces more time in front of a jury in Muskegon. That's because he's also accused of killing Jessica Herringa and attempting to kidnap a teen. Because of that, the prosecution is asking a judge to combine both of those charges into one trial. New tonight, Barton Dieters is telling us why the prosecutor wants to make that happen and why the defense is so dead set against it. Barton.
Well, Marley, today I talked with Jeffrey Willis's attorney, Fred Johnson, who said combining the cases into one trial would be prejudicial against his client and the interests of justice. But prosecutor DJ Helson said one trial just makes sense.
One way or the other, the jury is going to hear those facts anyways.
In the November trial for the shooting death of Rebekah Bletsch, the jury heard all about the accusation that Willis tried to abduct a 16-year-old girl from a rural road in Muskegon County in 2016.
That event and the circumstances surrounding that event opened the door to us being able to sufficiently charge the Rebekah Bletsch homicide, opened the door for us to sufficiently charge the Jessica Herringa abduction.
The evidence obtained following the searches for evidence in the 2016 case was a large part of the Bletsch trial, and it is expected by the prosecution that 3/4 of the next trial will be the same evidence that was used in November.
It's hard to try one without trying the other two. The jurors are smart enough when instructed by the court, for this particular case and these charges, this is the evidence that you must consider. They're going to follow those instructions. That would alleviate the need to actually have a third trial and call again the same witnesses that we've called for trial 1 and trial 2 to come back a third time. And in some small way too, the investigators that spent years and blood, sweat, and tears looking to solve these cases do deserve some closure as well.
But defense attorney Johnson said each case should be able to stand on its own, and that while one trial may be judicially economical, it is not justice. In the Bletsch trial, Judge William Marietti denied the prosecution's request to combine.
Even if the court doesn't agree with me, I still intend on holding Jeffrey Willis accountable for his attempted abduction of that juvenile. I see no justification for denying the Herringa family the opportunity for justice.
There'll be a hearing tomorrow in Muskegon where a judge will consider this motion and a request from the defense to delay the trial. This trial is slated to begin in March, and they say they need more time to prepare. The prosecution opposes that motion. In studio, Barton Dieters, 24 Hour News 8.